Eternal Spirit of the living Christ, I know not how to ask or what to say. I only know my need as deep as life, and only you can teach me how to pray. Come pray in me the prayer I need this day. Help me to see your purpose and your will. Where I have failed, what I have done amiss, held in forgiving love, let me be still. Come with the strength I lack, the vision clear of human need. Oh, give me eyes to see fulfillment of my life in love outpoured. My life in you, O Christ, your love in me.